to shed some light on the topical issue of unfair advantage in a sporting context, which is an advantage given to a team or individual without sporting merit, and importantly, not given to the opposing team or opposing individual. Perfect example, the CONCACAF Gold Cup final for 2025 will be played in Houston, Texas, in the United States. Once again, that is an unfair advantage for the American national team. So the notion that once we know beforehand, then the advantage cannot be unfair is foolishness. Remember, we all knew the Gold Cup final will be played in the USA 2 years ago. So basically, we all knew of the imminent unfair advantage, but we understand all the dynamics at play. So Jamaica, Mexico, Panama, Costa Rica, we all accept it will be unfair advantage to Team USA, but we will still go to play. Remember, as long as the advantage was not earned but given, and the opposing team does not enjoy the same privilege, the advantage is unfair. Leave it there.